Hey there beautiful people, it's Ahana, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get amazingly glowy skin with just 8 simple steps that everyone will be able to follow. First, let's put our hair back, get it out of the way, and coming to step number 1, we are going to cleanse. I'm just using this one by Biotique. It is their honey gel face wash and it works well for my skin, so quickly wash your face and pat it dry. You can use any face wash that you have. And coming to step number 2, we are going to do a double cleanse. Yes, so take some rose water on a cotton pad and we're just going to gently wipe our skin. The rose water acts as a toner and helps in removing the impurities from our skin and gives us a clean base to work with. As you can see, it has definitely worked. Coming to step number 3, which is steaming. Steaming has so many benefits, not only for your skin, but for your overall well-being. It opens up your pores, allowing you to extract dirt, bacteria, and dead skin much easier. And regular facial steaming can also help with preventing blackheads, acne, clogged pores, and it increases your blood circulation and helps in removing toxins, and the benefits are just endless. Coming to step number 4, it's exfoliation. Now that our skin is all prepped, we are going to exfoliate. I'm using this one by M Caffeine. It's the coffee face scrub. Before we scrub, let's just make sure our face is moist, so I'm just dabbing it with a little bit of water. Now taking the face scrub and just going in small circular motions all over my face. You don't have to use a store-bought face scrub. You can even make a coffee scrub at home. You just need 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, a half teaspoon of coconut oil, and a half teaspoon of honey. Just mix those 3 ingredients together and you have your own DIY face scrub. Just apply it to your slightly damp skin and massage for about 2 to 3 minutes, going in upwards or circular motions, just like I'm doing here. Now we're just gonna wash our faces, and you can see that your skin is already glowing. So much brighter and fresh. Step number 5 is a lip scrub. Yes, we usually forget about our lips, so for this we're gonna take a half teaspoon of honey and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix this all together, and this is your DIY lip scrub. It's very important to exfoliate our lips too. They can also accumulate dry and dead skin cells, and who doesn't want soft lips? Come on. So the cinnamon and honey together act as an exfoliator, and they have many antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that will leave your lips soft and supple. Just gently massage on your lips for about a minute and then wipe it off. You can use the cotton pad or just wash it off with water. Top it off with a lip balm. I'm just using Vaseline. And you're done with your lip scrub. Coming to step number 6 is our face mask. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of besan, a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of curd, and mixing this all together until it forms a paste like this. These are 3 simple ingredients that you will find in every Indian household, I'm sure. So we're just going to apply this on our faces. If you don't like the smell of curd, you can always substitute it for rose water. So where do I begin with the benefits of this mask? This mask is literally the solution to every skin problem like acne, pigmentation, blackheads, dry skin, dull skin, etc, etc, etc. So I'm going to keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's dry. I'm back and it's all dry, and I'm going to wash this off. This is a little bit difficult to wash, so be gentle on your skin, don't pull. And I'm back, just patting my skin dry, and you can immediately see that glow. That is definitely from the turmeric. Amazing. Coming to step number 7, yes, it's icing. We are going to literally rub an ice cube on our face. So icing helps in closing the pores that we have just opened up. It eliminates puffiness, it reduces oiliness, it also helps in easing acne and reducing inflammation on our skin. And it boosts the skin's healthy glow. But be careful while icing, keep the ice moving around, don't keep it in one place at the same time. It could cause ice burn. Take breaks in between, or you could even put the ice cube on a thin cotton towel and then apply it on your face if it's too cold to put directly on your skin. Wow, okay. Yes, my skin looks super fresh and awake now. Coming to step number 8, it's a facial oil plus a massage. I'm using this rosehip oil by Soulflower. You can use any facial oil that you want, argan oil, vitamin E. I just like using rosehip oil because it is really hydrating and it's super rich in antioxidants and fatty acids. It also helps in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining your skin's elasticity and firmness. It also helps in fading acne marks, which I have definitely noticed on my skin. Now I'm just gonna go and do some simple facial exercises, just going upwards on my jawline to relieve any tension, and on my brow bone as well. And just gently going in upwards motions on my forehead, just so that my skin can absorb the oil much better. So that's it, you guys. This is the final result. I am super happy the way it turned out. This is something that I follow maybe once a week, and it definitely gives me good results. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Until next time, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.